In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to import Trello cards by using a CSV file. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would need a power-up here on your Trello board. So once you're here in your board, click here on power-ups. And from here, you want to click here on add power-ups. And now you'll be prompted in here into the power-ups page where you can see different power-ups in here. What you'd want is go here into the search bar, type in import, and then you'd be able to see this power up right here. It says import to Trello by Blue Cat. This is what you'd want, and this is what I recommend. And now once you're here, you want to click here on add and click here on add again, just like that, and it will now be added. And now you'll be prompted here into the Blue Cat power up. So you want to click here on accept and authorize with Trello. And now from here, you just need to allow this right here. So I'm just going to click here on allow. And now finally, we can now upload our CSV file. And now once you have uploaded it, you will now be able to see all the spreadsheet columns, and then you can now assign it with a Trello field. Like for example, the name, you can go assign it as a card name for your card, and a description would be in the card description. And then you'd be able to see all of the options that you'd have right here. Like for example, here in the brand, I'm gonna go for label right there. And then as you can see the missing values. So there are some of them doesn't have a match and so on. So you'd get that status. So you would want to be mindful of that. And now once you're satisfied with all of the Trello fields right here, is that you want to now proceed by scrolling all the way down and click on check and import your CSV file. And now from here, you'd be able to see that it's now currently importing. So you just need to wait for it. And as you can see, it has now been created. Now all that's left is to go back into your board, and then you should now be able to see that the cards will now be imported right here. And as you can see, the cards in here are messed up. That is because the CSV file that I use is simply not optimized for Trello. But yeah, basically this is how you'd be able to create Trello cards by using your CSV file. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.